Wee. Happy holidays, everybody. Welcome to Cooking with Shadow. For this episode, we're going to be making a hot cocoa. I swear not all episodes will be with drinks. First, let's go over the ingredients. You'll obviously need a box of milk for the milk of the cocoa. You'll need cocoa powder. We have this random brand I don't know of. Obviously, sugar. It needs something else. Cocoa powder isn't enough. And syrup, we have this coffee syrup, that's vanilla flavor, but it can work for other drinks from what I've seen. And yeah, let's get into it. Actually, before we get into it, let's introduce our special guest for this episode, the person who will be drinking this thing, Koopa from Mel's Ouija's Shed Shop. Woo! Give him a round of applause, everyone. Whoa, thank you for having me here, Shadow. I can't wait to try this sweet cocoa. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so I'm trying to open this. Wait. So to heat up your milk, you can do it either way. I personally prefer the microwave version. It's really easy. You just pour the milk into the cup, open your microwave, place it in the microwave. And then you just have to set the amount of time you want it for. 1 minute and 50 seconds should be enough, yeah. Here's a fun Christmas activity you can do. Watch a Christmas movie or something, I don't know, do anything while you wait. Anything that's 1 minute or the amount of time you need for the milk to be hot enough. Yeah. Man, I can't wait to get into this bad boy. Shut up. Oh. Oh, it's done! There's the cup. Alright, let's assemble this bad boy. We're doing 3 scoops of the cocoa. Actually, 3's not enough, let's do 4. 1 scoop of the sugar. And then last but not least, the flavoring. Just put that in there. There. Now we mix it all up. And now we're done. Koopa, come taste it. I'd say it's really delicious. It just needs a little bit of something else, like a bit pizzazz. Like, I don't know, maybe a few marshmallows or maybe some whipped cream. Alright, that's enough of you. Bye. Thank you. Happy holidays. Bye.